They moving my truck, man. Hey, just got me some semis. I got a fleet. Gonna start a company. This finna make my 16th truck. So I just wanna let y'all know anybody can do this. This is my truck right here. I got a truck in the shop. These trucks right here. He moved my truck out for me. Getting it ready, man. It's a blessing. Enjoying everybody to see. Like this is a big blessing. Humble with this. Building an empire. Generational wealth. 2019. 2019. 2019. Big blessing. Big blessing, man. Gotta enjoy this. I'll see this. Gotta love it, man. This right here bring tears to a grown man's eyes. Coming from the bottom. Staying down till you come up. They're parking my trucks beside each other, man. I gotta get me a picture. You know what I'm saying? I gotta enjoy this big blessing, man. Gotta love it. Showing this, man. Y'all see this? Freightliner. Everything come from Freightliner. Everything get worked on at Freightliner. Need me a couple drivers, man. I got two more trucks that's in the shop right now. One of them had an oil leak. One of them had just getting a PM, getting all that done on it, man. Yeah, getting right, getting everything done. Y'all stay tuned, making it happen.